Hello viewers, welcome to Prepare Yourself YouTube channel. Today's I discuss about arc command. Now let's start. You know that arc command is multiple command. Here there have many options. First one is 3 point, second one is start, center int, start center angle, start center length, start int angle. One by one we will discuss and one by one you will learn. Now first of all, open ortho mode, then take line, take another line, take another line, then take 3 point arc, first point, second point, that is third point. Now second is start center int. Now again take line command, then click the first point, second point and third point. Take arc, start center int, start center int. Now third one is start center angle, start center angle, take here start center and put the angle, put the angle 180 and press enter. Then now fourth one is start center length. Click here start center, give the length 30, sorry, length is 45. Press enter. Then fifth one is start in angle, start in, give the angle, give angle 40, press enter. Now fifth one is start in dimension. Here take line, take another line, then take start in dimension, start in dimension. I give dimension 0, press enter and Here I give dimension 80 degree, 180 degree. Press enter. Then start int radius. Start int. Now I give the radius 45. Enter. Now continue. For continue, press line here to here. Enter. I take line here to here and continue. Press enter. Sorry. Take another line. Take another line. Then take continue. Click here and click here. Here, that's all for today. Thanks for watching video.